Hello everybody, TechMaxim here. Right now I'm going to show you how to use Pi-hole outside of your home using PiVPN. So first, if you have a dynamic IP address, you're going to need a dynamic DNS. So what you want to do is go to duck.dns, make an account. I'm going to sign in. All right, now that I signed in, I'm going to make a domain. So just put your domain. I'm going to put TechMaxim. Don't try to look for this domain. I'm not going to leave this up. It's going to get deleted. Don't try it. Anyways, add domain. Just add to your account. This is my IP address right here, but I'm going to cut that out. It's going to be blurred. What we're going to do is we gotta find our token. So there we go, our token right here. So you're going to copy your token. I'm going to blur that out too. So I'm going to do Linux cron. So you want to go to the install, go to Linux cron, which means cron jobs. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your server. So, open up this. Let me just make this smaller. You don't mean to do that. Oops, don't do that. You want to make a directory. So let's see where I'm at. Make a directory. Just call it duckdns, whatever you want to call it. Change it to that directory. Then you want to do, don't use Vim. If you don't have Nano, just do this. Install Nano. I don't like Vim. Me personally, I use Nano. So what you want to do is just do nano duck.sh. And then just go right here, copy, and then go back to your server. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Hold on, let me just reach it. Now just do Control X, Y, enter. And now that's saved. You want to make it readable and writable. So chmod sudo. See, I don't know why I screamed there. My bad. I don't know if it's picked up louder in my mic. Sudo, and then do it. Just press tab and make it come back. Now that it's runnable, now you want to go to crontab. I said crontab. Dash. Oops. Hold on. Let me just actually. Do nano, and then just to make it easy, I'm just gonna copy this. Now what you want to do, go back here, paste that. You can Control X, Y, enter. And then you want to go here, just run it. Make sure it's running. And then you could cat that. Cat basically like shows you what's inside the file. It outputs that. So just says okay. So it did it. So just clear that out. Now that we have our dynamic DNS, what we want to do is you want to copy the link, not the link. Copy the command in the description. It's going to be another bash script, so just sudo and that. Enter. It's going to run the bash script. And this is going to install PiVPN, what we're going to use to use Pi-hole outside of our home. Press OK. Okay. Go down, or press enter. Press enter, through all that. Me personally, I would use WireGuard. It's more efficient, and it's better on your phone. Like it says here, it's better on your battery, and I use it on my phone. That's what I use it for. So just press enter. You can use OpenVPN, but I prefer WireGuard, and it's easier to set up. So you can leave the port the same, but I like to change it. Press enter. Press yes. Press yes. See, that's my IP address, but I'm gonna blur that out. Now you want to go down, go to DNS entry, press enter, and then put your dynamic DNS name. So that was techmaxim.duckdns.org, I believe it's called. Let me just make sure. Press enter. Press yes. And press OK. Press yes. Press OK. And then let it reboot. I'll be back when it's done rebooting. Okay, now that it's done, what you want to do to see if it works, just do PiVPN. You can see all the commands right there. And also make sure your server is 64-bit instead of 32-bit. It doesn't work on that. I should have said that earlier. My bad. Anyways, what you want to do, so add a client. Do -a. Put your password in. Oh, you got to do sudo. Hold on, give me a sec. And put your password in. Enter your name for the client. And now you can do a QR code by doing sudo PiVPN QR. I did it wrong. I just dashed QR. My bad. Let me add the dash there. Press 1. It's gonna show. I'm gonna blur this out so you can't look at my stuff, obviously. But now you got the QR code there, and that's how you install PiVPN. So what you want to do, literally, just go on your phone, iPhone or Android. Just go to the search FireGuard, and then you can do scan QR code, and it's gonna add it. Let me just show you real quick. Look at this right here, WireGuard on the App Store. Let me see if I can find on Android real quick. Just download that and you can add the configs. Like this, WireGuard. And also what you want to do, the port that we used earlier, I forgot what it was. Let me look up the default port for WireGuard. (51820). What you want to do, this port right here, go into your router and open this port and connect it to your server, so then you can use your VPN outside, and that's all you got to do. Thanks for watching. It's been good. Techmaxim out.